We couldn't send an SMS to your number. Please check your number and try again in 1 hour. So to fix this problem, you want to take out the SIM card of your phone and you want to put that SIM card into a different phone. Then you want to set up WhatsApp on that other phone. After you set up WhatsApp on the other phone, then you want to remove the SIM card and then put it back into the phone that's not working with WhatsApp. After you do that, you want to set up WhatsApp. It's then going to tell you to transfer your chats. So just follow through the steps and then that's how you solve it. Again, take out the SIM card from the phone that's not working, put it into a different phone, install WhatsApp on that phone with that same SIM card and number. After you install it, you want to take out the SIM card and then put it into the phone that's not working. Then it's going to give you an option to transfer chats. After you go through all of that, the problem should be fixed. If you're getting this problem on an iPhone, make sure that you transfer the SIM card to an Android phone. Try that, see if that works. And try is after you set up WhatsApp on the other phone, then you want to uninstall WhatsApp on the phone that's not working and then reinstall it again. Then you want to transfer chats.